welcome to day 292 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video we are looking at how to crochet this spring flower stitch. So this stitch is a method of crocheting called filet crochet, where you leave these negative spaces to create the pattern that you want, filling all the other stitches with your crochet work. So for this particular pattern you require a foundation chain that is a multiple of 16 plus 4. Okay, so I have 36 stitches here. You can crochet to any length that you want, a multiple of 16, and add 4 stitches to it. So you're going to skip the first 3 stitches, which counts as 1 double crochet, and into the 4th one you're going to make 2 double crochets. So the chain 3 counts as 1, which will bring up the total of 3 double crochet stitches. Now skip 2 and make 1 single crochet into the 3rd stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 and make 1 single crochet. So now you're going to again skip 2 and into the 3rd one you're going to make 5 double crochet stitches. So that will be your pattern repeat, where you skip 2, make chain single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and then 5 double crochet stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, one more. So that's 5 double crochets, skip 2, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 and single crochet into the next one. Again skip 2, 5 double crochets. So you just have to do this till the end of the row. At the last stitch you will be making 3 double crochets instead of 5. Again skip 2, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochets, So here we are at the last stitch, where you skip 2 and make 3 double crochets instead of 5. So basically we are starting and ending the row with a half shell and then continuing with a full shell. So end of it, this is how your row 1 should look. Now for row 2, chain 3, which counts as 1 double crochet, and make 1 double crochet into each of these double crochet stitches. So that's 1 and 2. Now make 1 double crochet on the first single crochet, 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 3, and find the middle double crochet of the shell stitch, that is the 3rd double crochet. So 1, 2, 3 into this, make 1 double crochet. Okay, you can see that one rhombus of this flower is forming here. Again chain 3, 1 double crochet, into the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet on top of the single crochet, and so this is one set. On one shell we are doing these gaps, on the other shell you will have to make 1 double crochet on each of the stitches, so that will be 5 double crochet stitches. So these two are from the single crochet part. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so after this chain 3 you're continuously crocheting 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9 double crochet stitches. So again you go back into the single crochet, make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 3, 1 double crochet. Now we are back at the spaces where after the chain 3 you go on to the middle stitch of the shell and make 1 double crochet, again chain 3, make 1 double crochet onto the single crochet, 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, and then continuously make 1 double crochet on each of the double crochet stitches. So you alternate these two sets onto the shell stitch. That is, so this is one set, this is the other set. Again chain 3, make the space, and let's say this is the block. So you space, block, space and block. So this is how the stitches are going. Okay, now moving on to row 3. Okay, so every 2 row will be shifting the space and block. So now if there is a block, you are now creating the base for the next space. Okay, so chain 3, sorry, okay, so we are first going to create the space for the next block. So chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Now chain 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, you have to make 1 single crochet into this chain space, chain 1 and 1 more single crochet into the next space. Okay, you kind of push this together so that it looks like everything is in the same stitch. Again chain 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and this time you make it into these stitches. Okay, so you make 1 double crochet. So this is basically a repeat of the first row. Make 1 double crochet, sorry, there is no double crochet in this row, just make 1 single crochet, skip 2 and make 1 more single crochet, again chain 1, skip 1, make 1 single crochet, again skip 2, make 1 single crochet, chain 5, make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet on the other chain space. Again chain 5, end your work with 2 single crochet stitches on the last 2 stitches. Okay, so this is how your row 3 should look. Now for row 4, chain 3, turn your work, make one double crochet onto the next stitch. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, and make 3 double crochets into the chain 5 space. Okay, and make 1 double crochet onto the chain 1 space. Chain 3 and make 1. Chain 3, make 1 double crochet on the chain 1 space. Again chain 3, make 3 double crochets into the chain 5 space. One double crochet onto the single crochet, 1 double crochet onto the chain 1 space, again 1 double crochet on the single crochet, three double crochets onto the chain 5 space. So from here on it's again the row repeat, 3 double crochet on the chain 1 space, and you repeat the whole thing. 3 double crochet on the chain 5 space, then chain 3, 1 double crochet on top of this double crochet or into this chain 1 space right here. Again chain 3, 3 double crochet on the chain 5 space, and 2 double crochets onto the last 2 stitches. Okay, so that completes our very first spring flower. It will take a better shape once you do the next row. Okay, so again chain 3, turn your work. Now this is the repeat of row number 1, where into the very first stitch you'll be doing 3 double crochets, skip 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet onto the next double crochet or the last, over the last double crochet, which is right here. Chain 1, make 1 single crochet into this space right here, and make 5 double crochets onto this double crochet over here. Make 1 single crochet here into the chain 3 space, skip 1 and chain 1, skip the first double crochet, make 1 single crochet onto the next one. Now again skip 2, so you're going to skip these 2, which will bring us back to the middle stitch over here, where you'll be making the shell of 5 double crochet stitches. again into this stitch, again skip 2, into this one make one single crochet, chain 1 and one single crochet into the chain 3 space, again 5 double crochet shell into this center double crochet right here, make one single crochet, chain 1, skip this one double crochet and make one single crochet, again skip 2 double crochets, and into the last one you're going to make 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, so that completes our row number 4. Okay, it should look something like this. Now for row 5, sorry, for row 6, that completes our row number 5. For row 6, you're going to chain 6, which counts as 1 double crochet and a chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and you're going to find that chain 1 space between the 2 single crochet stitches and make 1 double crochet. So here what we are trying to create is, we are going to create a half negative space over here and then block the rest of the stitches and make 1 double crochet into the very next single crochet as well, and make 5 double crochets on top of these shells. So that's one on each of the double crochet into the shell. Okay, so that's 5 double crochets, and then you chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, sorry, chain 3 and find the middle stitch of this shell, make 1 double crochet. So we are just alternating the stitches just like in row number 2. Okay, again chain 3 and then make one double crochet into the chain 1 space, then 1 double crochet on the single crochet and 1 double crochet on the 5 double crochets from the shell. Okay, again 1 double crochet on the single crochet, 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 3 and 1 double crochet onto the very last stitch. See, you can see that negative space forming on either side. Now again chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet on the double crochet, 1 single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Now you're going to skip these 2 stitches and 1 stitch on the shell. Okay, so basically we are working on to the middle 3 stitches on the shell. So skip these 2, make 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip the middle stitch here and 1 more single crochet. Again chain 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. One single crochet over here into the chain 3 space, chain 1, 1 single crochet on the other side, again chain 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Again skip the first 2 and the next one. Okay, find the middle stitch. Single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 and single crochet, again chain 5, one double crochet into the space and 1 double crochet on top, 1 single crochet into the space and 1 single crochet on top of the 3rd chain. Okay, so that's row 7 and row 8. You're again going to chain 6, 3 double crochet stitches, into the chain 5 space, 1 double crochet on top of the single crochet here, one double crochet into the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet on top of the single crochet, again 3 double crochets over here, 1 2 and 3. Okay, again chain 3, 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space right here, chain 3, 1 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet into the space, one double crochet onto this single crochet right here, 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet into the single crochet, 3 double crochets into this chain 5 space, chain 3 and 1 double crochet onto the last stitch. So that completes our repeat row. So now you again start from row number 2 to row number 8 and you repeat the whole pattern over and over again till you reach the length that you want. So that's about the stitch. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts you can reach us out in the comment section or DM us on our Instagram page. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.